bolted in. I think you shot over him. You shot over him.
How?
Maybe not. No, you didn't. Oh my gosh, that's a good deer.
He fell.
Yeah, you
Didn't
got it. Give me 5.
Can we go get him?
Yeah, let's just give him a minute. Do you see him?
No.
Keep walking up there. He's 10 yards in front of you. Oh my gosh. What a dude. Oh my gosh. Pull him around here. Pull him out of there. Pull him out by his horns. Grab his horns and pull him out.
Here it goes.
Grab his horns and pull him up here. Spin him around. That's a trophy there, buddy. Oh my gosh, what a dude. Get back there behind him. Hold his horns. Oh my gosh, what a deer. What a deer, buddy.
He's still still.
Look, November 20th. Pearson got him with a 270.
Can we get some pictures?
Oh yeah, good job, buddy. Hey, that's what the one you've been after right there. I mean, that's a deer, buddy. Good job. I mean, that's a deer.